Welcome back to Smart Choice Reviews Tech, your trusted spot for honest and detailed tech insights. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's most advanced iPhone to date. If you're thinking about upgrading or just curious to know if this phone is worth the price, then stick around because we'll cover every single detail. And by the way, if you decide this is the right phone for you, we've included a link to the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the description below. Design and build. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max looks familiar, but the details tell a different story. Apple has refined the edges even further, making it more comfortable in the hand despite its large size. The titanium frame is lighter yet stronger, which is a major win for durability. The matte glass back resists fingerprints better than ever, and the new color options give it a premium look. This isn't just a phone, it feels like a piece of luxury tech you carry every day. Display. Next up, the display. Apple has introduced its brightest Super Retina XDR OLED yet, with an incredible peak brightness that makes HDR content pop like never before. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching Netflix, or editing photos, the 120Hz promotion keeps everything buttery smooth. For gamers, this screen is simply stunning. Apple's calibration ensures colors are true to life while still delivering punchy vibrancy. Performance. And a 18 chip powering the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the brand new A18 Bionic chip. Apple claims it's their most efficient and most powerful chip ever. In real-world use, it absolutely delivers. Apps open instantly, multitasking is effortless, and demanding games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile run with console-level quality. Plus, thanks to AI optimizations, background tasks use less power, meaning you're getting more out of the same battery. Camera system. Now, let's talk cameras because this is where the iPhone 16 Pro Max shines the brightest. Apple has upgraded the main sensor to capture more light, improving low-light performance dramatically. Photos look detailed, sharp, and full of natural colors. The telephoto lens now has a longer zoom, giving you crisp shots even at higher magnifications. And the ultra-wide lens, perfect for landscapes, group photos, and creative angles. Video is still Apple's crown jewel. Cinematic mode is smoother. Action mode stabilization is better, and ProRes recording takes this phone into professional territory. If you're into content creation, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might be the only camera you'll ever need. Battery life and charging. With all this power, you might worry about battery life, but Apple has optimized efficiency so well that the iPhone 16 Pro Max lasts easily a full day, even with heavy use. Whether you're gaming, filming, or streaming, you'll still end the day with charge left. And with faster wireless charging and USB-C support, powering up is quicker and more convenient than ever. iOS 18 and features. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max brings new levels of customization, smarter Siri integration, and powerful AI tools. From suggested replies to intelligent photo organization, the software works seamlessly with the hardware. Privacy and security also remain a top priority. Apple continues to set the standard in protecting your data. Pros and cons. So, what are the pros? Outstanding build quality, breathtaking display, insane performance, one of the best cameras on the market, and all-day battery life. And the cons? Well, the price is still premium. It's one of the most expensive phones you can buy. And while Apple has improved fast charging, competitors like Samsung and OnePlus still beat it in charging speed. But if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, these downsides may not matter. Final verdict. At the end of the day, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a phone. It is Apple's vision of the future of mobile technology. It's not for everyone, especially if you don't need the absolute best. But if you want the most powerful iPhone ever made, with a professional-grade camera system and cutting-edge performance, then this is it. If you're ready to pick one up, don't forget there's a link in the description below where you can check out the iPhone 16 Pro Max for yourself. Thanks for watching this in-depth review here on Smart Choice Reviews Tech. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop a comment below letting us know, would you upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max or stick with your current device? Until next time, this is Smart Choice Reviews Tech, helping you make the smart choice in technology.